Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video providing a little health check on how we're doing the sprint. And yeah, by the way, this is the other side of the office. So, I have some paintings and a fake plant over here. But yeah, I decided to try to shift around for these videos. I also got this clip-on mic, or I don't even know what it's called. So hopefully I sound a little bit better. But anyways, enough about that. Quick update on the sprint. We got a lot of feedback and it was great. We found some UX problems regarding inviting people. We've got some UX problems when it comes to setting up configurations, when it comes to like clicking and dragging the boxes rather than clicking all of them. We found some UI problems as well, certain UI issues that we've discovered. And then we also found some more technical issues, one of which that I want to talk about. Um, some of you guys are experiencing this and others are not. So if you haven't signed on to join just yet, this is something that you may experience where when you create a complex for the first time, um, it seems as though that complex never got created. And that's a problem with the way we're storing cache. So if you are on the facilities page and you've added in the different complexes and you come back to the list page and try to add another facility and you don't see any of your complexes showing up on that page, there's one quick fix that you guys can do right now, which is opening up Join on an incognito tab, which is what I actually recommend. If you guys are playing around with things and testing things out, if you can just use incognito, because we're just fixing an issue on our end regarding how we're storing cache. So you might not be seeing updates as frequently as we're pushing it up, or you might not be seeing updates based off of things that you're adding to the software, and that's the reason why. So just to reiterate, for the time being, if you can, just use incognito when you're testing out Join. I'm going to make another update video next week once this issue is solved, telling you guys, hey, you can stop using incognito once we are ready. Okay, so that's basically it. In terms of how we're doing this sprint, we are halfway done and we're looking pretty good. So by early, well, not this upcoming week, but the week after, so the week of the 15th, you guys will be able to add in all of your different programs, all of your different drop-ins. You won't be able to add in the schedule or the registration requirements just yet. That's for the sprint after the one we're currently working on. Now there is two things that I will require your feedback on when it comes to user interface. And so I will be sending you guys some links to Figma boards. The first one is scheduling. We really want to nail scheduling. It's something that is relatively, it seems easy, but it's relatively complicated getting a really good calendar and schedule out. Um, so I will have some questions regarding scheduling, and I will send you some Figma boards and send you some emails, ask you some questions. So that's one. And then the second thing I wanted you guys to think about a little bit was what are the different tasks that you guys have at your sports complex um, on a on like a maybe a seasonal basis? The different types of tasks that you and your staff are executing, and then also how do you guys collaborate to execute those tasks? Do you guys have a task list? Do you have like a to-do list? Are you using a different tool to manage who's doing what and what needs to be done? And essentially, how are you collaborating with your staff is the question. Um, so yeah, I'm going to summarize all this in an email as well, but that's just a few things to think about. So I'm going to end the video here and we will talk soon. Bye.